What is going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Something I need to update is my trades I took today. I only took, let me just start one oil trade. What's going on, Patrick? How you doing, brother? What's going on, Jacob? So apparently everything happened during London session. Because when I got up this morning, there was nothing really exciting that was going on for that was happening right now. So I obviously seen GJ took off during London session, which is dope. Gold definitely started taking off earlier this morning, which hopefully I'm still trying to figure this out if I want to take a buy or sell. I do know for sure for gold, we are in a big not liquidity phase. We are in a big consolidation to possibly continue to head down. That is the goal here. We do have a potential liquidity phase happening on a bigger scale that I did notice, and that's this right here. You guys see where I drew my two lines at. I did notice that we do have a bigger liquidity phase happening. And then also with dollar though, we are in a liquidity phase now with dollar. I do see dollar going up to take out these highs, which is all of this right here. So that's obviously supposed to mean gold is supposed to drop. However, once again, notice how everyone's buying dollar right now. At the same time, gold isn't really doing too much. So I do expect gold to drop. That's literally my overall anticipation of gold to drop. And then also, I was looking on oil to actually head up, but just looking what's going on, we're going to continue to drop. And you guys know how I am. I trade what I see, not what I think. So I do believe oil will probably continue to, oil definitely, guys, is going to continue to drop during this whole entire session. So that being said, hopefully I can find another entry for oil, because I would love to get in that. And like I said, with gold, I'm definitely looking on gold to actually drop as well because of what we got going on with dollar. But it's crazy how we're spiking up with dollar, but then with the gold, we're not doing too much. We're trying to. We do have news coming in a bit too as well, so that probably is why gold is acting the way gold is acting. But I do see it heading down for sure. You waiting for news? Guys, I need everybody here to tap in. Where you guys are located at? And I need everybody here to do me one huge favor, man. Make sure you guys like the video. Okay. So we got a lot of y'all tapped in. Nice. Go to Anthony. You from Hades? Illinois. Nice. Am I Nigerian? Why everyone asks me that? Do I look like I'm Nigerian? I had somebody ask me if I was from Jamaica. All right, guys. So, Chicago, Illinois. Let's go. Let's go. Seattle. Let's go. India. So we got everyone here. All right, guys. So I'm seriously about entering in this gold trade, but you guys know I really want a good position. And that being said, me getting a good position, I really need to see this pullback, man. I almost feel like if I can't get that pullback, then I'm gonna miss out on this gold trade, especially if the news hits. So hopefully the news push it this way up, so I can hopefully get an entry to head down. That would be a nice little move for me. I definitely see that for sure. Let me yeah, guys, for those that don't know, we do have news coming in 19 more minutes. We got news coming in 19 more minutes. So I'm patiently waiting to see what the news is going to do before I actually enter any gold trade, mainly gold. Damn, oil is taking off. What am I trading on? I'm using MT5 right now. That's what I'm using right now. By the way, guys, like I said, for those that's new to my channel, we're doing one more last challenge, and I'm done with these challenges now. I took 2 oil trades this morning. I was literally about to call it out, but then once again, couldn't call it out because it moved just a little too fast for me. And I think that trade was here. I do not know why. It was a little quick one-on-one trade, honestly. Nothing serious. It was like something like that. I'm a little disappointed in myself because it's like I'm missing out on all of this right here on oil, and this is what we're supposed to be taking right now. Right now. Checking in from India. Nice. DTV, you in that one? Nice, nice. Yeah, I got out of it. I mean, I made 400 off it. I guess that's cool. Trading Undertaker, don't be disappointed. You're gonna revenge trade. Nah, yeah, I feel what you're saying, but nah, I'm not gonna revenge trade. Definitely not. But I am disappointed though. I gotta just be real with myself. I'm a little disappointed, but that I'm not gonna revenge trade though, for sure not. But back to my journal. Like I was saying, guys, I took 2 little oil trades, nothing serious. I made like 400. So this is kind of where we at right now for the day. Nothing crazy, like I said. Yeah, nothing really crazy, guys. Nothing crazy. See, that's one thing I can't tell you guys. I can never tell you what I expect from the news because I'm not that type of trader to be like, you know, I expected it can go up and go down now. I'm not fully analytical when it comes to news. I just go off of the reaction after news hit. That makes sense. Yeah, so the 2 oil trades I took was right here. It was from here to here. I had a stop loss literally roughly around there, and or my stop loss was my stop loss ideal was there, and I just took a nice little one, like a simple 1-to-1 trade. These trades, no, I did not post. This move was so quick. Well, I called it here. Well, I took it here, was ready to call it out. By the time I came back, the move was already right here, and I was like, yeah, it's pointless to take that trade. So, it's pointless for me to post that. So yeah, no, definitely not. Let's see. Tomorrow, though, if you are in the VIP, guys, tomorrow we're going to be doing a live Q&A, live session if there's anything happening. Y'all know me, I don't force shit. But yeah, that's what's going on tomorrow in the VIP on a Wednesday. I know last Wednesday we didn't do it, but tomorrow we will be doing that. So yeah, does Osprey send daily or monthly? I believe they send monthly trade statements. Well, it's coming along really well. Thanks for asking, man. Jeez, man, this is so crazy. Almost looking at this is like, this is the pattern. It's like we're trying to follow this big trend here. Yeah, but the question after this, what do you mean by that? Yeah, I'm waiting for the news. I'm waiting on the news at 10. I realize I lose money when I trade before news. News can be so manipulative, so I'm all about just waiting on it. I'm just hoping that we don't drop when news actually hit, but just wait for it to go up, and then we can get that set up to drop. Happy Tuesday. Guys, if you are not a part of Ospreyfx, that is the broker I am using to trade. I'm telling you guys right now, they integrated with something powered by TradingView called Trade Locker. And it's basically TradingView and Ospreyfx. I haven't personally used it yet just because I haven't put any money into that specific account. But for those that's really eager to trade, use our TradingView indicators, tools, everything like that, you do not need to worry about going on your MT4 or MT5 because you know obviously the pricing is different. The market still moves a little different. You can literally do all that on your computer or even on your phone because they're creating an app too as well. I'm waiting on the app. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm waiting on the app. But once the app comes, it's game over. But yeah, once they have the app, which they say is supposed to be coming out real soon, I'm gonna be like going Trader Locker and full blown on with that. So you guys will kind of see me no longer using TradingView, even though it is part of TradingView. It is TradingView I will be using, but not the TradingView app, Trader Locker, which is yeah. So yeah, I was disappointed when I seen they didn't have the app. Almost went with FTMO instead because of that. Yeah, the app is coming though, man. I'm really interested for the app. When I'm gonna trade some Patrick, man, we gonna talk about that, bro. We gonna talk about that. I see you going crazy with that in the community. Guys, I honestly want to take a another 30-second entry trade. Once news starts to calm down after in about 10 more minutes, we might be taking some 30-second trades today. Oh, really? Okay, I feel you. I don't want gold to creep down, man. I want it to creep up and then creep down. I need this position. Once again, guys, like I told you before, dollar, I'm expecting dollar to continue to head up just because we are in my liquidity phase, and then do something like this. That's basically what I see with dollar. GJ been heading up. I mean, not GJ. Yen basket's been heading up. Clearly, that's because GJ is going down. That's obviously the reason on this. But other than that, I don't really know exactly where we could be going except for taking my fibs out. Waiting on market to tap anywhere in between my 618, my -27. And I want to see what we got in here. Look left. You see what type of POI levels is over here. Right there. We got one there. This is how I find valid. For those that don't know this is really how I find valid structural levels. And this could be anything from order blocks, key levels, fair value gaps, institutional levels, major key levels, pivot levels, supply demand, all that stuff. I just use my fibs to give me that accuracy. I made a video about that too, guys. I don't know if it's still on my YouTube. It's been a minute since I made a video but I'm basically made a video, guys, about that. How was your first or 2 years trading? Was like horrible, man. Joker, it was horrible. Actually, my first year was really great. Then my second year was just all learning curve. I have to watch that video. Yeah, guys, I can't fortunately tell you what video it is because it's somewhere in my catalog, but I do have a video on how to find valid levels. US 30? Nah, I don't trade US 30 no more. I haven't looked at US 30 in a minute. They've been very choppy. Yeah, I know. US 30's been It's been What do I have against US 30? I don't like it, man. It's too choppy. The market is not, it's just not my friend. It's really, the way I like to look at market is just isn't the best for me. Waiting to see what gold brings in store for us. What was the what chart I pulled up? I don't know what you're talking about. You talking about Yen Basket? By the way, guys, if you haven't already, I need everybody here to like my video. Like I said, we waiting. Look down below. Waiting on news to hit at 10 Eastern time. That's literally all I'm waiting on right now. See what's in store for me, and then I'll have an answer what I want to do. Right now, oil tapped into my field points. What you guys know. My Fibs is probably #1 gold mine. This is how I find TPs. This is how I get accuracy and all that. But basically, we are tapping into these levels here. So kind of want to see what happens from here. We could still be going down though, because like I tell you guys before, nice thing about oil is it's going to continue to go one direction for that entire session. It's either going to consolidate for that entire session or head one direction. It's not going to just go all the way up and then go all the way down. Not in that same session. That's one thing I realized with oil, and that's why I love oil so much. You know what? Let me look at. Oh my gosh, it's been ugly too, guys. Nasdaq's been ugly lately. Yo, do we have any oil news coming today too? I don't see any oil. Oh shit, look what happened. Worse than expected. Worse than expected. You know what that means. I love my FX book. It's way better than Forex Factor. Okay, I see new home sales did better. That's good. So that means we should be. That's weird because this is low impact, but I don't know. I feel like today's gonna be weird. But I still see dollar going up just because of the news just said. We got home sales expected is better percentages in the numbers, so that's good. You said that fat 1 hour bull candle scaring me. I can see why. All right. I would love to see gold come right up here to this little POI level right here. And then give me that nice little drop. Honestly, this whole entire week's been trash so far. Because it's been doing nothing but consolidating. Like we're all in big consolidation. By the way, guys, I am not in no sell for gold. I know somebody's going to ask me. I am in no sell for gold. I'm just analyzing it, looking at it, and trying to figure out what's going on. That's about it. Because we can still go up, we can still go down. I just know what's the crazy part about dollar right now is that if this pullback was to occur, I am expecting gold to take a nice incline. And then also another crazy thing about gold is that we are in this potential liquidity phase, which means we can go any direction. We can go up first or we can go down first. That's what makes this scary right now. But you guys know how I am. Trade what you see, not what you think. Yo, what's going on? Market open, news had low volume. You selling gold, sir? Not in nothing right now. I'm just looking at the market. So do you get the money if you win the challenge? I fund the pro for the profit of the challenge. Yes, you do. Lost huge amount of Bitcoin trading my own with less knowledge this weekend. Man, forget Bitcoin. I don't even like trading it no more. What's gonna come up first? Looks like it. With Fund the Pro is 80-20. You get the 80. You get the 80 to keep the 20. Gold is tricky right now, man, because like I said, this can go 50-50. This can go 50-50. Funded Pro is also available in Canada, yes. Yeah, you can scale all the way up to 5 million. What's going on? How you feeling? Y'all going crazy for this gold trade. Let me really figure this one out. Like I said, today has been crazy so far. News and market upside down. News got the market upside down. I just feel like the market this week is pretty dry, man. I don't even like. It's just pretty dry. Honestly. I don't even really trade GJ like that, but GJ is really the only one that's moving and consolidation. NASDAQ, you guys see NASDAQ's been. Look at this. What in the hell is that? And y'all want to know why I haven't been trading NASDAQ? One moment's up, one moment is down, and it's up. No sense of direction. I can't trade that. And then gold's been the same thing as far as choppiness too. I'm just telling you guys, this week has just been really smellow. As you see, oil's been the only one that's been giving me justice. Seriously. And y'all still ask me why is oil number one. I'm telling you guys every stream why I love oil. And sooner or later, I will only be trading oil. You said, Patrick, what you looking for selling opportunities for? With gold? Or with NASDAQ? I haven't even caught out a signal yet myself personally. That's literally how dry this has been. And as you guys see, I haven't really been taking any trades too in my journal. And that's just because the market's been really dry so far. Why you feel like tomorrow will have a lot more volume? I know you averaging. You said dollars running? Yeah. That's what I'm saying. This is so crazy. Dollar's supposed to take these highs out, the liquidity phase, but gold isn't doing a damn thing. Everybody's getting in dollar right now, but gold isn't doing a damn thing. I hate when it does that because it's almost like it is a trap.
I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do.
You know what's crazy? Trading Undertaker. When I first started doing my live streams, all we were doing was 30-second and 1-minute entries. And then I started going to 5-minute entries because I really started tapping with oil, and I got used to 5 minutes, so I just stayed on the 5. I really stood on the 5 minute on like every other pair now.
Hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call.
You said sell limit? You got a sell limit? Man, I hate doing sell limits. Them so risky to me. You said what's the plan for the boot camp tonight? Market structure. And then Thursday we're gonna talk about my 3-man standing strategy. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Oh, do we have divergence right now? It's too early to tell if we got divergence. Man, this looks like a setup for it to head down. I see the setup so many times. You said dollars going up and then gold's going up. I know, that's the scary part, man. Look how, I swear to gosh, look how strong this is. But look what we're doing with gold right now. Really nothing. It's not trying to move. And that's why I say gold sometimes is so fucking stubborn. Cause stuff like that also gets me all the time. I'm like looking at dollar and I see dollars really doing a big impact. And I'm looking at gold and it's not really doing much. And it's just like, okay. We got 1 more minute left in this candle. I want to take this one too. Let me see something. Probably get TP. Oh, we can easily get TP1 here if this plays out well. We can probably take the lows out first, hopefully. The day you trade gold instead of GU, it plays. Of course. Man, this is almost scary, y'all. Cause the reason why I'm like so because I feel like the moment dollar actually does a little pullback, gold is about to be like, yup, we was waiting on that pullback. We gonna go all the way up. So I'm not in there right now. I'm not liking these candles right now. I just truly feel like the moment that dollar pulls back, gold is just gonna do something crazy, and then probably drop. Maybe, I don't know. I'm still waiting to see what's up. Exactly. Patience is the key. Hey, Solo, would you say is liquidity play on dollar on the 1 hour in the middle of the range? Yeah. So like I said earlier, guys, dollar is doing an entire liquidity phase right now. I literally said this earlier. We got dollar in the liquidity phase. Dollar will go past these highs. It needs to. That's where the money is at. That's where I see it going. But what I was also saying is, if that's the case, dollar's supposed to be heading down, but we're not. Look where we at with gold. We're still in this consolidation, and that is just simply because we're in a bigger consolidation with gold, and it's not much that can be done, but just wait to see if anything happens. It's like stuck for real. Yeah, it's crazy. Me, I entered short on Nasdaq looked nasty too. I'm saying this week so far has been so dry for me. I don't even think I had one 2 days straight without calling out nothing. It's crazy. It's the first time this happened. Guys, I see we got a lot of y'all tapped in, but we don't have the likes up. I need everybody here to do me one huge favor. Let's go ahead and get the likes up, guys. Let's go ahead and get the likes up. You guys know how I am. The more likes I get, the more I can go into details of my strategies, the more I go into details of any and everything you really should know about trading. I feel like gold is going to be a creeper. It's just going to slowly creep its way down, like it's trying to do now. I like the interview with the CEO of Thunder Pro. It was great, for real. Yes, sir. Appreciate that. Appreciate you for tuning in, watching that video. This is a trade I want to take with gold if I can see a setup. 2 minute looks nice. Alright guys, this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna enter with a small, I swear every time I say I'm gonna enter and go, it wants to drop more pips down. I'm gonna enter and go with a smaller lot. Just waiting on this closure of this candle because it already dived. Fuck, I hate when it does this. You said gold's being shy today. Yeah, guys, this joint is moving. Yeah, don't trade it in. Don't trade it. Don't trade it. Imagine you win the position. I mean, then I win it. Ain't nothing special to it. It's just more money in my account, which is cool. I'm just trying to see this closure this 5 minutes gonna do. Be patient, don't chase it. I'm not chasing it. My setup already is already happening. What are you looking for the entry? So I got this 3 confirmation rule that I always follow with anything I get into. I talk about it all the time, guys. Literally, it's so simple. Yep, I ain't liking the candle, man. I'm not liking gold right now, guys. It's not doing what it needs to do. It's being stubborn today. I just feel like it's going to possibly go down. If it does, it's going to take its time. ICT trader? No. Honestly, I don't even know what ICT trader really looks at or really does. Besides, like, yeah, I really don't know. I'm not even gonna lie to you. He is solo trader. Don't trade smart money concept strategy or whatever that is. Don't do the ICT strategy. I don't do any of these other strategies that's out there or any other concept. I literally have my strategies all in here that I trade. It's called the Fib strategy, which is the Fibonacci. Never invented it. It's just that. Liquidity phase strategy, that's me. 3-minute standing strategy, that's me. Just random trading, that is when I do absolutely BS. And US Sunday oil sales, and that's just something I do on Sunday. Sell oil. Those are my strategies. But like I say this all the time, guys. Especially if you are a new trader and you're coming into this world and you tapping into all these new concepts, you're going to think that that's the way to trade, or you're going to believe and you're going to be so stuck on it and say that, no, this is this way to trade. This is not this. Isn't everything is rebranded? As I say all the time, everything is rebranded. Every trader makes it sound pretty, makes it sound unique, make it sound different, but it's all rebranded stuff, right? Everybody looks at the market differently, gives it different names, gives it a different meaning, but at the end of the day, it's still going up and it's still going down. The reason why you guys never hear me talk or say these gray boxes is an order block or key level or a supply demand levels, because they are the same shit. Like, when you guys are truthfully ready to understand the market, you will really know that order blocks, key levels, institutional levels, pivot points, all of that stuff is in the same area. Every time you see a high, every time you see a low, it is some sort of structural strategy that somebody thought they created, but maybe as far as their own way of looking at it, but it's rebranded too. But most importantly, guys, I say this all the time, every high, every low plays a huge effect in the market. Every time you see a high and a low, banks, they know money is going to be there. This is why order blocks exist. This is why key levels exist. This is why institutional levels exist. This is why supply demand levels exist. This is why pivot points exist. It is simply because banks know every time market comes, or every time they create a high, it's liquidity being put there. But most importantly, they know retail traders, which is all of us, there's no such thing as a I trade with the banks. I don't care if you're trading on TradingView, or if you're trading on any other third-party software and you're looking at the market after news hit, you are a retail trader. I literally had somebody tell me they're not a retail trader, and I laughed at them like, how long you been trading again? Yeah, I can definitely tell. Because at the end of the day, we're all retail traders. We're getting leftovers. Until the day you guys physically work at a bank and trading actual bonds or trading actual investment funds or funds for others, then you could talk to me different. But unfortunately, everybody that is watching my stream right now, I'm going to tell you this right now, you're all retail traders. So please stop thinking you trade with the banks, think like the bank, or you are the bank, because you're not. You're not. There's no such thing. Banks don't even look at the market like this at all. And none of y'all don't even know this. Some of y'all know. A lot of y'all don't know. And it'd be funny because it's just like, well, yeah, you know, I'm a smart money concept trader, so I trade with the banks. So I trade just like the banks. No, you don't. You trade just like the banks. This is not how they're looking at the market. They don't talk about it like how we do. They don't go in there and be like, all right, guys, this is our support level. We're going to trade up the support level. Or, oh, guys, this is our demand right here. That's not how they look at the market, y'all. That is not how they look at the market. So y'all really need to open y'all mind up, yourselves, and really understand that we are all retail traders. Everybody does have their own way to looking at the market, which is perfectly fine. That's why I never come at nobody's strategies or concepts. But I hate when somebody comes at me with my strategy and say, oh, you should trade this strategy, or you should look at it this way because this way is better. There's no such thing as this way is better. So what I'm getting at the end of the day is everybody has their own way to look at the market. And I don't care if you trade support, resistance, key levels, smart money concept, ICT concept, Elliot wave, pivot points, moving averages. I don't care if you trade any of that. As long as you profitable and making money, that's all what matters. But I'm going to tell you right now, the strategy isn't what's going to make you successful. It is the way you handle this trade. Like right now, if I was in gold right now, somebody probably would be tapping out of gold because they're like, I don't like how it's moving. That's your mental right there. Also, another thing about mental is your emotions can get to you and you can see the market completely different because your emotions just got to you and you're like, well, I see a buy now. For whatever reason, you see a buy now. Because the one candle went up like this and now you're like, oh, you know what? This is a buy. I should have stayed in it for a buy instead of a sell. All right, let me exit out this trade and buy it right here. And then you buy it and the market comes right back down with an engulfing candle. Oh, man, this is just you guys get where I'm going? So all I'm trying to tell you guys is that to keep the trading is your mental and nothing else. And yeah, I'm tired of hearing that dumb money shit. That's stupid. At this point, we are trading dumb money. Seriously. Do you damn, y'all asking a lot of questions. I'm trying to keep up with what y'all saying. Yeah, like I said, man, it's easy to manipulate a new mind. Let me just tell you guys that it's easy to manipulate a new mind and as well as an open-minded. If you're very open-minded, it's easy to manipulate a new mind and open-minded mind. So what I'm getting at is, if I was to create my own concept and I introduce all of you guys to my new concept and this was your first year, you guys would think that is the only way to trade, or you would be so die-hearted. You'd be so die-hearted to that. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, you said my mic is bugging. I don't know why. I don't know why it's doing that. But yeah, basically, guys, you would just be so stuck on that. You said mic is clear. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, just refresh the stream. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, just refresh the stream. It's damn, this internet out here is sucking right now. It might be the internet too. Yeah, you guys just gotta refresh the stream. For your liquidity phase strategy is just wow. Yeah, you know it's crazy. A lot of people don't even still know what my liquidity phase strategy is, and I tell them, y'all want to know what it is, but we ain't got the likes up, so that's why I don't even really talk about my strategies no more. You guys know how I am. I told you, once we get those likes up, I give you guys gems for free too. My strategies is more in my courses or in my boot camp. Those are the only two places I talk about my strategies in detail. Nothing. Oh, my calculator's been down for a minute, man. We've been working on some other better things, like his whole journal app. It's about to be crazy. Honestly, man, I can't guarantee that. I can't guarantee that. You said with the $2,000 balance, how much lot do you recommend in trade? I usually do a standard. That's where I'm at. What's good, Pocket and Pips? How you feeling, bro? I'm good. How about you, bro? Depends on your risk and stop loss. Exactly. Me, I'm typically risking, like I said, in my rule book, guys, I don't like to go past 15% overall. If I'm doing a funded account, obviously that's completely different. I'm like at 2%. Don't want to go past that. That's how I am with a funded account. But with my personal account, I can go way more above that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's literally where I'm at. Cool, man. I can't complain, guys. This morning. I feel you, man. The market sucked today. Like, only one trade I took, and that was with oil, and I didn't even call it out earlier. But it's just the market's really suck. And I'm not even in this gold trade either, because it's just not even moving. As you guys see, look at this. I'm not in nothing. Once again, this week, guys, I'm trying to tell you guys, this week is just a dead week, man. So far as what I'm seeing so far. Oil, I still get my setups, which is why I like it. Always get a setup. Yesterday I couldn't call this one out either. This morning I couldn't call this one out, but oil's the only thing that plays out well. I'm trying to tell you guys. Y'all really need to start tapping into oil. It is a dope commodity to pay attention to. Yo, bro, I've been struggling this month, but it was a big name. Kept myself composed, cause man, I've been ready to risk it all lately. I feel you, bro. I feel you. Oh, look at y'all see how we dropping right now with dollar? But look at gold. It's ready to go up now. Crazy, right? So I'm trying to tell you guys, man, it be that stuff right there that be like, I don't know, man. Gold is low-key trying to do something shiesty. Yeah, Patrick. Yeah, there's a couple tools you guys can use for risk management, like Magic Keys. That's a paid one. There's a free one. I can't remember the name of the free one. Patrick, I hope ToolsFX, is that free? Once again, guys, if y'all not a part of Funded Pro, I definitely recommend you guys sign up with Funded Pro. Like I said, you have unlimited trading days. That's, in my eyes, you can't beat that, man. I tell you guys this all the time. I don't want to be that guy to feel like I'm stuck on a time where I gotta trade this in this amount of time. If that's the case, I might as well just work. I might as well just call a bank right now and say, hey, can I work for you? And I got 30 days to show you my results. All right, cool. You know, I'd rather have unlimited trading days, because let's be realistic. There can be a bad week. Like right now, this week ain't doing much. It can be a slow week or a slow month, and you got 30 days to try to pass it, knowing that it's a slow month or a slow week. Or hell, let me say this. Let's just say you're mentally drained. You're not even in a mood to trade. You just mentally not there. Y'all know mental is number one in trading, and you mentally not there. It's just like you got 30 45, 30 days. Nah, bro. So this is why I say if you guys really want to tap in Funder Pro, definitely tap in Funder Pro. The link is in the description. You guys do get 20% off if you use the link down below. Downlink. The rules, restrictions is pretty standard. You have a 5% daily drawdown, still 12% overall, and pretty much that's really it. I mean, as far as the big side of that, other than that, you are able to scale up to $5 million. I think that's big. 80-20 split. You get paid. You can pay out every week on Monday. And yeah. Bro, facts. The 30-day limit is straight BS. The time consent. Yeah, man. I realized that when I seen I was doing FTMO, and I remember, like, I have patience. Man, we was talking about this too, Pocket and Pips. You say you got patience. I got hella patience, man. I got hella patience. You got hella patience. I know some of y'all got hella patience, but it's just like, I could sit here and not trade at all in 1 week and be absolutely okay with it without trying to be like, oh, I gotta force it. But then it's just like you're crunched for time too, and it's just like, damn. So it's like you're forcing yourself into a trade that doesn't exist. So Pocket and Pips, I know we just talked about this literally yesterday, but yeah, man, I believe I believe that's kind of effed up. How then that's a way for them to obviously make the money, and I get it as a business. Just being in the business mindset, I get it. But now they got prop firms out here that's giving y'all unlimited days to trade, man. How are the spreads on Funder Pro? Is real low. You can actually go on Funder Pro and look at the spreads. I believe so, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, no limit on the trading days is the best. Like, even though I passed phase 1 and phase 2 in literally in a month, honestly, I felt like if I was to do an FTMO challenge or my Forex fund challenge or whatever it does, the 30-45 day, I feel like that would have been in my mental, so it would F me up because it would force me into something that doesn't exist, and now I know it probably fell. So I don't know if any of you guys ever feel like you're in that situation where you feel like you're crunched for time, like my homie Pocket and Pips was saying, like you're crunched for time, but you know mental is everything, and you know you don't want to force nothing, but it's just like time is trying to force you. Trying to tell you guys, Funder Pro is why I love it, because you got unlimited trading days. So if you guys really want to tap into Funder Pro, that link is in the description. You do get 20% off if you guys want to go ahead and tap in. And other than that, man, you guys know, if you are still up and skeptical about it, I did an interview with the CEO of Funder Pro. You guys can check out that video as well. It is in my actual YouTube channel, most recent video. And honestly, guys, there's really nothing else to it. They pay out every single week on a Monday at that too. So if you get a 200K account, you made 20 G's. Guess what? Let's say you made 20 G's in your first week. Guess what, guys? You can take all that out. You keep 80% of that. They keep the 20. So, am I going to take a trade when gold touch this level? No. It already touched the level. That is not how I trade. I just got this level set because this is a POI level for me. No, it will not always be crypto purchases. They actually are integrating. That's one thing I forgot to ask the CEO. I know that was a question I had written down, but I forgot to ask him, is, are you guys going to be allowing people to do debit card payments? But they are. You guys will be able to use your credit card payment moving forth. Overall, gold is bullish or bearish? Right now, honestly, man, it's going both ways. I can't tell you. What do you mean by unlimited trading days? I'm looking at Funder Pro now, and it says 5 minimum trading days. Minimum. So let me break it down. If you ever go into like a prop firm like FTMO somewhere, something like that, they're going to tell you have 30 days to pass, but you have 5 minimum days that you need to trade at least. With Funder Pro, you have to do at least 5 minimum trading days, but you have unlimited days to pass the challenge. You don't need, right? So they're going to be like, hey, 30 days. If you don't pass it, you fail. With Funder Pro, you got unlimited days. You good. And then they pay out every single week, or you can get paid out every single week. You don't have to wait every two weeks or a month. Most of them are 10 days I have seen as far as minimum days. Oh wow, that's even more crazy. I actually had two students literally, or I had two people literally pass their Funder Pro challenge just by watching our live streams. So I know I had somebody earlier ask me, hey E, can I pass a challenge with your VIP signals? Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, I had people pass challenges just by seeing I got 35 wins since I went live on the new, just with this new layout, and 13 losses and 7 break evens. Obviously they are also is a part of the VIP, so they do take the trades from the solo bot. We got a solo bot that calls out trades. It's not just always me. You guys know we got Mr. Patrick in the building. He's always calling out some fire trades or posting fire ideas. We got the solo bot here that calls out possible entries. We got all educational traders in here. My guy Lil Bill, you guys know him. He's always smashing TPs with everything he calls. You got everybody in here in the community is helping out. It's not just me, guys. I got Fabian in the building. He calls out a lot of swing trades. You know, you guys know Neil. He calls out wonderful NASDAQ and oil trades. He's the one that got me into oil. And then Neil got introduced into oil by Little Bill, which is him. And he's calling out fire trades. He loves silver. We got Mr. Gold King in here. Like I said, we got Sway in here. We got Patrick in here. So we got a lot of people in here that calls out trades, as well as the bot. It'll call out something, and then of course you got me. I'll call out my stuff here. And yeah, guys, that's what we got going on in the community. So I just want y'all to know there's a lot going on. I definitely like to make this community the best community as possible, meaning that the free side, you get a lot of knowledge. The pay side, you still get a lot of knowledge. I try to make sure I make it very, very effective for any and everybody that's coming in and coming out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm always looking for new educational traders. You know, for those that's just joining in, I'm always looking for new educational traders as well. And yeah. It's crazy because the value that I offer for free is unreal, guys. Literally, it's unreal, guys. Yours never come through. Man, make sure you put that star on mine so you know. Do I have more investments? I actually do. I actually have a little small stock portfolio. Nothing crazy. I do have a small stock portfolio and a crypto portfolio. Nothing crazy on crypto though. As far as other things like outside of like stocks and stuff, yes, I'm investing into a lot of other things business wise. This is not my only income, y'all. Obviously teaching, I make money off that. You could say YouTube I make money, but it's really nothing serious. My shoe line business, I make money. I have a production company, I make money off that, like basically I do affiliated marketing. I get paid off that too. I mean, honestly, guys, you know, I definitely have multiple streams of income, and I talk about this all the time. If you are coming into trading and you really want to make this your number one source, don't make this your only source. You gotta have another job. You gotta have another hustle, because the moment I had a student that quitted her 9 to 5, and she was a doctor, right, or a nurse, and she said, I quit it just to go full time in trading, and she ended up taking her whole savings account and lost all of it. And I'm just like, you should have definitely had stuck to being, you know, just stay with your job for a little bit, or as long as you can, and continue to trade, but have that as your backup source. Because the moment you guys quit your job, you're going to force yourself to now feel like, damn, I need the money. I need to put food on my plate for my family, for myself. I need to pay these bills. I need to take care of business, and you can't do that with no job, and it's going to be too much for you, because I already tell you guys, trading is all mental, 80% mental, 20% skills. So you don't want to be put in a position where you're going to be mentally miserable or mentally depressed, miserable. You're just going to feel like overwhelmed. And when you feel overwhelmed, you're going to be in a situation where you're going to feel like you can't trade, you're forcing stuff that doesn't exist. It's like you're getting very delusional in the market. It's literally like you're trying to take a buy right now on US oil, but you know it's going down, but you know you need this money now. So you're just forcing every little trade. And then on top of that, it's damn near impossible for you to full-time trade, basically be on the computer for 8 hours straight trying to trade, because I feel like if you're doing that, trading will eventually mess you up, and mentally it will. But I feel like you're just going to be in that state of mind where you need to be on the computer for that long just to trade, and you're just gonna go insane, man. I just feel like, guys, the best advice I can give anybody and everybody is stick to your job, stay with your job, don't go anywhere else, or don't leave nothing. Stay the job you got and just continue to grow your account, grow your mental, and grow your skills in trading. And then the time you really feel like it's ready to stop working your 9 to 5, you will know. Believe me, you will know. You will know. It's a feeling and a common sense of physical seeing. What if your job is illegal? I can't help you out there. I'm not even gonna tell you what you can or can't do. That's on you. It's on you. You guys see what's going on with gold? This is why I didn't tap in it. I had got no setup. Gold is just doing nothing at all. It's just like, yeah, nah, that's, yeah. It's real, man. So I don't know if any of you guys are looking to quit your job, but don't do it. Don't do it, for real, for real. Stay where you at. But my man said, what if your job is illegal? Y'all crack me up, man. I love going live. Y'all crack me up, man. I'm curious to know what illegal job we got going on. What we doing? Oh, man. You retire after 24 years. What if I'm retiring after 24 years? I feel like that's cool. I mean, depends on if you still got money coming in from somewhere else. You good. You said Patrick. I'm like, Patrick, what trade you talking about, bro? You keep talking about a trade, but I don't know what trade you're in right now. What trade are you talking about? NASDAQ or gold, oil? I'm confused. What if you selling? Oh my gosh. All right. Yeah, y'all going crazy. Anywho, yeah, what trade you talking about? Oh, S&P. Got you. All right. I was like, wait, what are you talking about? Got you. You trading futures. I need to tap into that soon too. Hey, do you have any open US oil trades? Nah. Honestly, guys, my MT4 account is like dry right now. MT5 account. There's not much going on. As you guys see, like I told you earlier, I do a lot of standard trades, which is 1 1 1 1 1. I went into my account to grow a little further, and then I start taking a little bigger lot sizes. As you guys see so far, the strategies I've been using is called the 3-man standing strategy. My last account, for those that wasn't, man, I'm so mad. I had a journal, guys, for my last account, but unfortunately I accidentally saved this one on my old journal, so obviously this replaced my other one. But my other one, we was at 84. If you guys haven't seen my last video since last week, you see it. Overall we had an 84% win rate, which that That account helped me pass my phase 1 and phase 2 with Funder Pro. That's how I became fully funded, because every trade I had took from this account or my previous account got copied into my funded account, and that's what got me to pass and grow my account all at the same time. Like that, I love that. I love that social tool. It's called Social Tool. It's a copier trader tool. I love it. Makes my life way more easier. It's like I can manage 10 accounts. Not managing y'all accounts, but I'm just saying I can manage 10 different accounts and take on one account, and then boom, it gets copied to every other account, and it's instant. I can be anywhere in the world. I can take a trade on my phone, and it's going to copy into all my other accounts. This is why I said I will be doing another challenge, because I feel like good. So yeah, guys. Overall, with our VIP, we're about a 73% win rate, at least as far as with this new layout that I got. We caught out, you guys, I caught out a lot. I do be calling out a lot of trades. That's because, like I said, I really do be scalping, guys. I really do be scalping. And they be really quick little scalp moves too. I know a lot of traders be like, well, how many pips do you like trading? Like, I only take 10, maybe 10, 20 pips. And people are like, oh, that's nothing. I'm like, yeah, I don't know about all that, man. It's not about the pips at all. It's about the percentage. I have 4,000. Hell, y'all remember when I did the $10,000? If anybody was here at the time, I did $10,000 when I was live, and we scalped the market that whole entire day, and probably averaged 30, 40 pips that day, which is still a lot, but maybe less than that. That social trader is super nice. Paying attention. What did you say about copy trades? I need that. Yeah, it's called Social Trader. It's a tool that you can use. You can whatever you take off one account, it gets copied into your other accounts. How do I promote my affiliate links? So many ways. I mean, I do it through YouTube. Is it a bank holiday? Why you say that? Because the market is so mellow. Nas good for buys now. Jeez, I'm not even looking at Nas. That joint looked ugly earlier. I want to show you guys something, so I can show you guys visually here. So, yeah, see now. Oil's been ugly for the past 2 weeks. I want to show you guys something. You know what? Never mind. I can't even show you it. Hasn't been the same since.
Yeah, me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind.
Once again, today is absolutely whack. What is this about to do? 1 more minute left on this. Oh, dollar's getting ready to take off again to take out these highs. It's crazy, guys. Like I said, man, dollar is going to go up, but we need gold to drop. But I'm so nervous with gold, man. But we did do a this is my 3-man standing strategy right here. We got 3 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We actually got 5 waves inside this correction. You guys, if any of you guys know Elliot wave, in every correction you get 3 to 5 waves in every correction. That's obviously how Elliot himself analyzed it, which was all developed in 1800s, by the way. After the 3rd or the 5th wave, you can expect market to continue to go the same direction it was earlier, unless it was some other pattern. Let me see. So, that being said, oh, this is perfect. That being said, guys, I'm in a sell. I feel like this is going to take its time, though. But I'm in a sell now. I'm going to get in 2 positions. There we go. I'm going to consider this one a risky trade just because of how slow it is moving. But it's moving. Let's see, 1981.725. 1978.750. 973.94.
Into me. I'm out of all that designer, no do you no justice, you one of a kind. Seen you like twice, but you know what they say, that 3 times is a charm. You probably heard it a lot, but baby, why you looking so fine? KMT to the haters. Girl, where you been? Hiding out all day. I've been having all these dreams that you be mine someday. Ever since I saw you last time, been a call away.
All right, guys, I'm just putting in my trades.
Let's close this case down, yeah.
I like to put them in while I'm in it, so I don't forget. Yes, I had 3 confirmations. I wait on my 3 confirmation play. These numbers I'm gonna wait to see where market does. Goes in my favor or not. I'll have to put it in. Oh my gosh, we're freezing up now. Alright, let's go back there and see. Like I said, I feel like this is gonna take its time. It could be a little risky, but I don't expect this to be anytime soon. The question is, let's see who actually has the patience. So you don't like the idea to trade the 1-minute prop firm? Search trader has that. I don't know what you're trying to tell me. Oh wait, Victor, you said what? Hey man, today I made my 3rd month in a row being profitable and knowledge and main reason. Extremely grateful. Wow, respect, man. I like that. And so you saying this is your 3rd month in a row? I think that's what you're trying to say. Being profitable. Nice, man. That's fire. I don't trade imbalance. Can I get that trading journal? It's coming soon. Speaking of it, is it saved? Let me make sure I saved it. Yeah, saved. It is coming soon, man. I gotta post my oil trade. Oil looks like it's trying to go up. Oh, I was already in it. Yeah, guys, I usually average 12 trades a day to 16 trades a day. When I take trades, because I do multiple lot sizes. So when I usually take trades, I usually enter 12 to 16 trades a day. That's like my average. So always doing liquidity phase. No, low's been taken out. No, I don't see no liquidity phase. Or are you talking about this? Y'all do be my third eye sometimes, though. So let me see what you're talking about. I mean, if you're talking about this necessarily, this could be a possible one, but only reason why I'm not really too sure is because of this wick right here. And then I don't know. See, when it comes to liquidity phases, it has to do a aggressive move. It has to break out aggressively in order for, if it's another wick, it's just going to be more liquidity being built up. So we'll see. You said just took a US 30 short, made $8. That's what's up. Yeah, you can say that. Jeez, market is so dry today. That gold trade I took earlier, guys, I don't see it hitting probably until like London or maybe Asian session, unless something magically happen, which that's what I want, but we shall see. I actually gotta put my TPs on my hair. Let's see. So they're waiting for news, any major move to happen. Do a setup tour for us. He said, yo, you ain't gonna do a setup tour for us. Joker, what you mean?
Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the crown. Girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it with her crew. Yeah, don't need that drama, she calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? Be rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel on your body, girl, you so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You be alone if looks can kill. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bouger.
Oh, I said buying. I'm not selling. You said I was scared.
We in so deep like we mobbing. You got my temperature rising. No one like you, boo. Always keep it hundo when you move. They don't really want it with our crew. Don't need that drama. She calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? We rolling with the baddest. We can't lose. Party till the morning. How we do.
Guys, if you're not a part of the Discord, I'm gonna give you guys access to join the free side of the Discord. There we go. Yeah, actually, the Porsche GT, Huracan's cool. GTR is actually, Nissan GTR is actually something I'm gonna be getting real soon. Man, I can't even think straight, y'all. There's so many. Wow. I was sure just looking at a couple yesterday. I can't even think straight. GT3 RS, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's one of the crazy ones that I definitely want to tap into. I really like the McLaren 720. Those are really good too to me. I like those a lot. I'm not a big fan of the i8 or Tesla, honestly. It's like I know so much about like cars and what I want to do as far as specs. I can't do nothing with no damn i8. I ain't gonna lie to you. Tesla definitely can't do nothing. The Tesla truck is cool. Model X is cool. I'm really into cars, guys. So, like I said, me personally, I'll get one, but it ain't gonna be like my first one option to go with, literally. Like, I'd rather get an Audi R8, and that's something I do and plan on getting too, over an i8, BMW i8. Like I said, I will be getting like, it's really between a couple cars, but I'll tell you guys two. It's really between the Nissan GTR or the Audi R8. Cause I wanna do a twin turbo on the R8. That's why I really want it. And obviously, there's so many specs and so many mods I can do with a GTR too. I can't do nothing with no i8. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't even know it was off a 3-cylinder Supra. I don't like the new Supras. I would definitely be getting me like a 98 or something like that Supra. But Supra is also on my list, but it's not going to be something I'm gonna get anytime soon. But it is definitely on my list as well. But I ain't trying to get the typical stuff like Tesla. Like I said, Tesla's cool, but for a guy like me, I like building cars, or not really building cars. Let me not say building cars, but I like doing mods and stuff like that. I'm not a big fan of Mustangs. I'm not a big fan of any Ford or any Chevy cars. So I don't want no Corvette. I'm not a big fan. I would probably get it later down the road, but I'm not a big fan of any Corvettes or any Mustangs. Mercedes, only Mercedes you really catch me getting is an AMG 63. Or really any AMG, honestly. But Mercedes is probably not like my very first selection. G63 is the one I would get if it had to be something like that. It says you should quick analyze GJ for a big long trade. Nah. I don't do those type of big long trades. Yeah, I don't do those big long trades. Ferraris, yeah, they clean too. Hell yeah, Ferraris is hella clean. AMG's Mustang. I mean, damn, I said Mustang. I'm at what the disrespect, E? Mercedes, that's what I'm at. Jeez. Marcus is absolutely dry today. Once again, guys, if you're not a part of the Discord, make sure you tap into the Discord as well. You said, what's wrong with a Mustang? None at all. I was just never into it. Before what I was actually into when I first seen the Transformers movie, obviously that was the Camaro. But other than that, I just never got into any of those cars. Camaros, like I said, I'm not into any Chevy or Ford. Anything crazy. I don't know what Gold's trying to do. Gold is really not trying to play fair today. I hope you got stopped out because you're stop loss and not margin call. Wow, Yen Basket really just took all the way off up here. Jeez. Oh, I hit your stop. Jeez, this joint really took off. This is probably about time for it to start going back up. on the oil from a higher end pool, and I see liquidity may. I'm trying to figure out if we are in that liquidity phase. I'm trying to see if we're going to build up more liquidity right here or take it out. Wow. No account because I just got it and don't understand. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Like I said, with oil, guys, we're literally building up liquidity right now, which could be a good thing because eventually we could be taking this out soon. But of course, you gotta wait. Patience is everything with this one. We still gotta figure out what's going on, and we are going to be entering a new session, which means I always say, one session it likes to go one way, and the other session likes to go another way. That's mainly with oil, though. Mainly with oil. Not gold, not NASDAQ, mainly with oil. So how we took these highs out right here. But you got to be careful, like I said, because we do have a lot of liquidity that is literally building up as we speak, all in here on a higher scale. So have you guys ever blown a demo account before, and why? Like, realistically speaking, and you guys ever blown a demo account, and why? Did you invert the chart? No, I did not. I know some people be going crazy. Forgot to go back to it. Damn. 3 funded accounts. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm sorry. That one was funny. Yes, I mastered blowing demo. Oh, stop loss. And I was gonna say, if you guys are blowing demo accounts, yeah, that's a problem. Especially a demo account. That's a problem. So I'm gonna tell you guys this realistically. If you are a trader or you were a trader, maybe you took a crazy lot size, I'm very sure you would be able to do that in a live account. I'm very sure you'd be able to do that in a live account. Oh, I got a call. Hold on. Like if you are the type of trader, yeah, where you can put in a lot of money into a trade, you can definitely do the same thing in a live account, which means you will over risk your account. If you are a trader where you had the other situation, which I said over trading, you could definitely do that in a live account. So if you guys have still got them problems in a demo account, don't think that's gonna change in a live account. There's no way we should be even doing any of that in a demo. I mean, obviously in a demo account, yeah, because you're learning. But if you're making that a consistent thing and you're not even taking it serious, then what's the whole point of you trading? Somebody said, let the trade come to you. What? Which trade you talking about, for oil? Yeah, I'm gonna definitely let that come to me. That's what I like to do with all the trades I take. What's crazy is too, like, I say, like, I'm getting a trade and I'll be like, guys, this one is super risky, but there would be somebody that would just risk their entire account. I just be like, why did you do that? I got another question for you guys. Who here actually flipped an account before? Had any of you guys turn like $100 to $200? That's flipping an account. That's what I mean. Or 100 to 1,000, or 10,000 to 100K, or 5,000 to 5K, or whatever. Any of you guys ever flipped an account before? So you did 70 to 6K in a month. I'm 16 to 5K. Right now, 807K. Never been able to flip, just blow it. Turn 3 to 800, 8 to 7 in a week. Started with 1 to 4 in a month. Yes. But at the point I didn't withdraw. Okay, so I got another question. And I need y'all to be real with me, because I'll keep it a buck with y'all too. $5 to $10, okay. Have any of you guys ever took any of that money out? The money that you put in, did you take that out? Somebody said $2K to $50. Flip easy. Nope. So you said nope. Let me look you up. Did you post exactly what you flipped? No, okay, you didn't. Nope. Somebody else said nope. Did you post? You said so. You the second one that said nope. You turned 300 to 800, but you never took it out. Okay. Should have. Yes, I took 4.4K out. Took out 300. Nope. I blew it all one day. Tragic. I took out 650. Yes, like 2K. So all I'm asking for is, did you guys at least take the money that you put in after you grew your account? That's all I'm asking. Y'all don't have to tell me I only took $300 off of that. I'm asking if you guys actually took the exact same money you put in out. Okay. Lost it all. Yes. I'm only in a gold trade now. I was trading high and blew it. No. Yes, I took the money and I put it in. So the mental can have a loss several times. But learning to build. I see what you're saying. Took mine out. Let's see what oil gold. I don't really like how gold moving, but we're just gonna let it hit stop loss if it goes that way. This is why only good trade can do it. Took nothing out. That's what I'm getting at. See, a lot of traders flip a lot of accounts, which is all cool, but the most hardest part is taking that money out too. And only a few can do that. Only a few can do that. I'm 17, so I wasn't stressing blowing the account. Only up from here. Yeah, you guys got to keep blowing these accounts in order for you to know what's really up. For real, for real. Got to blow a couple accounts. Got to. So do you agree on there's a faraway correction imbalance level on oil? What? I don't trade imbalance or anything like that, so can't really speak too much on that part. Trying to build 6 to 10 bands. Dope. Okay. Yes, guys, I am still in my gold trade. You guys know the answer to this already. I don't flock out of trades early because it's going up. I let it ride all the way to my stop loss. And that's how I trade. I don't do that type of trading. I'm not that trader no more. Do you explain walk-off theory on your channel? I have a couple of videos that I do. After seeing you solo, I was able to grow a small account. Damn, that's fire. And I think you said you did 800 to 6 bands? Something like that, right? Oh, 8 bands now. Dope. What's my idea? Crypto versus Forex. I love oil. It's not a Forex pair, so can't really talk about too much Forex pairs. I don't really trade too many Forex pairs. You said you made over 50K from a prop firm. That's big, bro. That's huge. You made 50K profit. That's huge. You ain't gotta. Yeah, that's huge too. If you actually did something like that too, that's definitely post that. There you go. I like that. Class time. You said you just focus on your 1 to 3 RRs, looking for 1 to 2%, 2 to 3% per month. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. Dope, man. True Forex funds and FTMO. That's what's up, man. Yeah, oil. If it was up to me, oil would definitely be my #1 pick. And then gold would probably be second. So you didn't all the way blur, just most of it. Yeah. So guys, if you're not a part of the Discord, once again, make sure you join that. We do have the VIP section and whatnot. But other than that, guys, today is pretty dry. Waiting on oil possibly buy, not really considering it. This gold trade is the only trade right now that I'm in. Risky trade for sure, just because of what dollar's doing, right? But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, if you guys not a part of Funded Pro, definitely tap into that. You do get a 20% off discount. That link is in the description. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna tune in tomorrow. Market is dry. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with this gold trade, let y'all know what's up, profits or not. I'm gonna post it. But other than that, yeah, guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Everybody have a great day. Let's make money, baby. Peace.